Prayer and revelation. O Lord, may I have 1,000 hands. With each hand, may I comfort every soul struggling through the world process. May my hands possess a healing balm, a gracious touch, and a beckoning light to relieve every soul afflicted with pain. And God smilingly responded within my heart, I am your very self. I am the love of 1,000 mothers. I am enfolding every soul with tender, loving care. I am indeed your very self. You are in reality my very self. Aham Sarvam. I alone am in all names and forms.